Hey guys, Masha here from Masha Puns and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're doing some very simple floral doodles. So we're starting from some leaves and these are great to kind of add something extra to your floral compositions. They are fantastic in creating wreaths and they're super easy to draw. As you can see, I'm using the same basis for all of these doodles and I kind of just play around with the shape of the leaves and with how close I want leaves to be to each other. That's just one of the ways for you to customize the leaves and make them look the way you want to. Now we're on to some floral doodles. These are really easy and I'm definitely not going for something too realistic. You will see that some of these look a bit like real flowers, but some are a bit crazy. That's just something I like about doodles, floral doodles, not drawings, and I really hope you enjoy these too. Actually, I have a step-by-step tutorial for some of these doodles and a few others, so if you want to check out and learn how to draw more different flowers, I will have a link in the description for you. And finally we're going for some more leaf doodles. The last two are very tropical. I think one of a palm leaf and another one is banana leaf. I'm not really sure, I'm not very good with names. But this will look great on your summer pages and as you can see, they are extremely easy to draw. In case you guys want to learn to doodle some other stuff, I have a special playlist for you with all my Doodle with me videos. So just click here and I'll see you in the next video. Keep bullet journaling and don't be a blob. Bye!